Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simply You and I'm happy that you're there to visit, view, share. Thank you again. And today we are back with another eye shadow tutorial. Keep watching. Thank you again for coming back. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is day 3 of my Juvia'S Place Berries mini palette series on my road to 100 subscribers. Please subscribe and please share. Thank you. Berries by Juvia'S Place. Day 3. Day 3 color is this one right here. Let's see what we are going to create with this. I was thinking maybe you can comment below. I was thinking of, is Simply You a good name for this channel, or should I change it? And if I should change it, what name do you recommend? Please comment below. This is what we're looking like so far. Now we're about to apply our color number 3 right here. Now we're doing the second eye. Third color in the Juvia'S Berry Mini Palette series, Road to 100 subscribers. My goal with this mini series is to get 100 subscribers to help build my channel. So I hope you will view and you'll share, and I hope you also subscribe. Finger applying foundation today. Hi there. Now, eyes. Do you like? This is my 3rd day series. Berries by Juvia'S Place. This is the 3rd color out of the Berries mini palette. series on my road to 100 subscribers. So please share, please watch. This is the third eye. Let me know what you think in the comments. Today I use Juvia'S for my eyeshadow. I use e.l.f. mascara. I use L'Oreal Infallible for my foundation. My setting powder is by Juvia'S. And my eyeliner, gel eyeliner by Juvia'S Black. That's the product I use. Now I need to put my lipstick. I have my blush. Oh, and my blush is by Florrie Roberts Papaya blush. Now it's lipstick time. Hopefully I picked the right color today. That's my lipstick for today. My lipstick is by Wet n Wild. Eyeshadow palette, Berries by Juvia'S. Please leave your comments below about my eyeshadow makeup look. Give me a full opinion. And I was thinking about the name Simply You. I'm not sure if I should keep it or change it, but I'm not sure what to change it to. So if you have any comments, any name suggestions, leave it in the comment below. And please share this video with someone else. Share it with somebody else. But now that I put the liner, it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. It's a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Please like, please share, please share with your friends and family. Let them know I am on YouTube doing eyeshadow tutorials. Please subscribe. When you subscribe, when a video comes out, you might or might not get it, but if you ring that bell, when a new video comes out, YouTube will make sure you are notified. Again, be kind to self. Love self plenty. Self is important. Take care of self. And this is it for today. We will talk again soon. Bye everyone. Please watch, please share, please subscribe, and I will talk to you in another video. Bye, bye, bye.